Got up, dusted off, makes my pace on my way, every step's a day, I don't gotta play, lost around, won the game I play, on my way.
Alright, everyone's looking for the best AI music video generator, but the truth is, a great video starts long before you generate the visuals. So today, I'm breaking down the complete workflow, from how to make AI music to creating a polished AI music video that's ready to release. Because here's the thing, AI music artists aren't just an experiment anymore. Creators like IngaRose, Xania Monet, and Breaking Rust are out here building massive audiences, dropping tracks on Spotify and Apple Music, and growing across social media. But I don't see many people showing you how they're actually pulling it off. So, let me show you step by step how it's done. Take IngaRose for example. Her song Celebrate Me hit #1 on US iTunes not long ago, until it got knocked off the top spot by an Olivia Rodrigo track. But the Forbes headline pointed out something else entirely. That chart-topping song
is AI generated.
I dug a little deeper on Wikipedia and found more about her musical genre, the real person who's possibly behind her, the background story of her music, and a handful of other AI-generated music artists out there. As of recording this video, her TikTok has crossed 307,000 followers, her YouTube channel sits at 199,000 subscribers, and her Instagram has hit 401,000 followers. What really stands out is that real people are genuinely connecting with her melodies. And IngaRose is just one example. You've also got Xania Monet, Breaking Rust, Eddie Dalton, Tilly Norwood, Novi, and Sasuke. Part of what's driving their success is putting their songs out on social media and creating content that actually shows off the quality of the music. After digging around a bunch of different options, I found a tool that makes this entire process way easier. It's called Tunee AI. And I've dropped the link in the description if you want to try it yourself. New users get credits on sign-up, enough for a 10-second C-Dance 2.0 music video or 10 songs. And if you log in daily, you claim 100 free credits every single day forever. No credit card required. Once you're inside, you'll see your credit balance right there, you can pick your language, and you can even download the mobile app. There are menus for every feature, but to really show you how practical this thing is, I'm going to walk you through the AI agent. I started by describing what I wanted, an R&B song with a voice that can hit those high notes, something similar to IngaRose's voice. But before you hit submit, you can also upload references in these formats for inspiration. You can pull in previously generated music, choose a character, we'll get to that in a second, and even pick your models. As of this recording, here are the music models Tunee offers, and I went with Mareka V9. For image generation, these are the options, and I stuck with GPT Image 2. For video, here's what's available, and I went with C-Dance 2.0, and for text, I just left it on default. Now, once you click this little arrow, Tunee gets to work. It comes back with a few options, and you can actually choose to generate all of them at once. Notice I haven't even given it lyrics yet, so if a blank page scares you, Tunee's got you covered. Then, right there on the infinite canvas, it generated these options for you to listen to.
2 a.m. and the street lights bleeding through the blinds. 4 in the morning, still on the line. They drew the ceiling in a pencil sketch. Told me gravity was law. I kept my knees against the floorboards, counting every bruise I wore. Every fall I ever took was a blueprint I ignored. There's a rumble in my ribcage, quiet thunder.
Not bad, huh? This song has real potential, so once I select it, a few more options pop up. I went with the tagging option, which means Tunee will reference it directly in the chat going forward. Now I'm going to ask it to generate 5 versions of this same song, but this time with subtle, raspy vocals added in, and using my own lyrics that I'd been working on. How cool is that? Here's what it generated for you to hear.
Told me I was aiming too high. I said, watch me, I don't need a sky. Told me I was aiming too high. I said, watch me, I don't need a sky. I stumbled, tripped, fell on my face. Got up, dusted off, makes my pace. On my way, on my way, on my way. Every step's a day, I don't gotta pay.
Okay, I think we've got a winner. Oh, and by the way, for full transparency, Right in this corner, you can see exactly how many credits I've used up for all these generations. Now, I picked the version I liked best, and here you can see in more detail what options open up. If you click the 3 little dots, you'll see a lyric video option. This is honestly the easiest way to get your songs out on social media because it creates a video clip with the lyrics synced right to the music. And if you click here, assuming you've picked up one of Tunee's plans, you get a copyright certificate, which is huge because it guarantees you actually hold the commercial rights to your songs. Alright, but what I really want to show you now is how to create your music video. You just click this option right here. If you want short clips, you've got a few choices, and if you want the full song, you pick this option instead. For this demo, I'm going to select this section of the song and stretch the selector out a bit more, so it covers more of the track and you can see more of what's possible. Now, Tunee gives me the choice of what kind of video I want: a story-driven video, a concept video, or a stage performance. I went with a story in 16:9 for anyone watching this tutorial. I took a minute to read through the plan it came up with, and I ended up choosing tweak the plan first because I had a different idea in mind. To start, I hit the choose a character button. I asked for female, photorealistic, and added in my own ideas. The first option it generated was gorgeous, but I kept trying until it produced this image, and I fell in love with it. So I selected it, and it showed up right in the chat. I asked Tunee to make a few tweaks to the story, but oops, I had to stop it because I realized I forgot to specify that I wanted the result in 4K. Sorry, my bad. But once that was sorted, Tunee started generating the scene images for my story. From there, it was going to combine my character with those scenes and generate the actual video clips. It even shows you right there how many credits that would cost. Since you're pretty important to me, I wanted you to see the result at its absolute highest quality. But for social media, that's not really necessary. You can pick a different quality level that fits your budget while still creating content that looks great. I chose to preview the frame first before generating the full video, just to make sure the story actually made sense. That's really just because I like having some creative control over the results. But if you're after something more automated and faster, I'll show you that option in a bit. Alright, here are the results it generated, and even though I really like them, I'm gonna make a few changes based on the story I have in mind. Just so you know, the song is about never giving up and actually reaching your goals and your dreams. So here's the idea I had. Solace, that's the name Tunee gave her, is walking through the city and spots a dress in a shop window that she loves. But since she can't afford it yet, she walks away. Then later, she's on stage singing in that exact same dress, showing that she eventually reached her goal. And in one of the clips, when she gets home, she checks her piggy bank and her wallet and lights up with joy because she realizes she can finally afford it as a payoff for all her hard work. So that's the story. But since I hadn't told Tunee any of this up front, I'm going to show you how to edit the images in case something similar happens to you. Though I want you to know you can avoid this entirely by giving Tunee the full story right from the start. Honestly, this idea only came to me after I'd already seen these images. Okay, so you select the image and you'll see the option to download it, tag it, or edit it. I clicked edit and it shows you the reference images, the image generator, the quality setting, the aspect ratio, and the cost of that image. But what I actually wanted was for Solace to be walking through the city in a different outfit, like she just got off work. So I copied the prompt, hopped over to Claude AI, and since the prompt was already solid, you'll notice it tags the reference images. I just asked it to change the outfit to blue jeans and a gray hoodie with the hood up. Pretty simple. I came back, pasted in the new prompt, and it generated exactly the image I had in mind. I did the same thing with the rest of the images, and once everything was ready, I asked Tunee to move forward with the video.
Oh, told me I was aiming too high. I said, watch me, I don't need a sky. I stumbled, tripped, fell on my face. Got up, dusted off, made my pace. On my way, every step's a day. I don't gotta play, lost around, won the game I play. On my way, on my way, on my way.
Before I show you how to make money with AI music, let me show you a faster, more automated way to generate content. First, you select the video option, then you pick your track from the library. Or, if you use something like Suno, you can upload your songs right here, and they can be up to 6 minutes long. That's what I did. I uploaded the song and selected it. Then, I picked the model, always Cdance 2.0. set it to the highest resolution, and chose one of the available characters. Now, in the storyboard, I asked it to be creative and really visual. There's a whole variety of styles in the library, so I went with the Y2K Studio look, confirmed the settings, and it generated the images, then the videos, and finally stitched all the clips together. Since I have a Tunee subscription, I downloaded the video watermark free, and here's how it turned out.
They said quiet, I said loud. Put my name on every cloud. Then but never broke the spine. Watch me draw the finish line. On my way, on my way. Every step's a debt I don't gotta pay. Lost around when the game I play. On my way.
Alright everyone, that was just a sneak peek of what you can create on Tunee. If you're genuinely interested, click the link in the description. Full transparency, it's an affiliate link, so if you sign up for a plan, I might earn a commission at absolutely no extra cost to you. Tunee gives you credits every single day you log in. From there, you can test out a monthly plan, and if you go annual, you'll get a discount. Most videos would stop right here, but I want to show you an idea for actually generating royalty income. Of course, an important disclaimer here. I never, under any circumstances, recommend cloning another artist's voice, mass uploading music, or using other spammy tactics. On the contrary, it's always important to disclose that your music is AI generated. I'd encourage you to read Spotify's official policies through the link I've left in the description, which also explains how royalties are actually generated and how artists get paid. If you want to give your music the best chance of reaching more listeners, you'll want to release it on all the major streaming platforms. That's where DistroKid comes in. It's one of the most popular music distributors for independent artists, making it easy to get your songs on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, YouTube Music, and many more. Getting started is simple. Just create an account, choose the plan that fits your needs, and upload your track. Along with your song, you'll need a cover image and some basic information, such as your artist name, song title, genre, and other metadata. DistroKid also offers tools and optional services to help you manage parts of that process. So, how do you actually make money? Every time your music is streamed on platforms like Spotify or Apple Music, it generates royalties. Those royalties are reported to DistroKid by the streaming services, added to your DistroKid account, and once they're available, you can withdraw your earnings using one of the payout methods supported in your country, such as PayPal or a bank transfer. If you'd like to learn more, I've included all the official resources and links I used while researching this topic in the description below. I want to say thank you to Tunee for making this video possible, and thank you to you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Shout out to all the creators featured in this video because they're proof that it's genuinely possible to generate income using AI responsibly. I do want to be clear that my videos aren't financial advice, and nobody can guarantee results. Any kind of venture takes effort, consistency, and dedication. Results are going to vary from artist to artist, and it's always important to follow each platform's guidelines. Stick around for the next Tunee video. Until then, peace out.